subset. So 2.3 consisting of the topics: definition of subsets, properties of subsets, write subsets of a given set. How to write subsets of a given set? First listen definition, don't write. Now listen Amma. A is equal to set 13, 14, 15. B is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 13, 6, 14, 15. Now listen. Today I want to tell the definition of subsets. Don't write. Listen. A is equal to set 13, 14, 15. B is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 36, 14, 15. Observe the two sets. After forming set, each number is called as what? Elements. All the elements of A or the elements of B are not. Check. All the elements of A. What are the all the elements in A? 13, 14, 15. All the elements of B are not. So 13 is there, 14 is there, 15 is there, extra element whatever it may be. So all the elements of A or the elements of B, then we can say that A is subset of B. Subset of B. Do you understand or not? All the elements of A, all the elements of A or the elements of B, then we can say that A is subset of B. Symbol for subset is like this. Now write down definition with example. Definition, write. Listen and write. Subset definition. Subset definition. What I told, how many sets I have taken? 2. What are the two sets? A and B. All the elements of A are the elements of B, then A is called what? Subset of B. If all the elements of capital A set or the elements of B then what you call A is subset of B. Subset of B. Do you understand or not? So example. Let us take example. Write your own example. A is equal to set 3, 4. B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 3. Now check all the elements of A. How many elements are there? 2. All the elements of B or not. So which elements in A compulsory lies in B? Is there or not? Extra element whatever it may be, leave it out. So 3, 4 is there or not? Then we can say that A is subset of B. Subset of B. Symbol for subset is like this. Now listen Amma. So definition of subset. Suppose all the elements of B or the elements of A, then we can say that what? B is subset of A. Whatever the sets you are taking, one set elements belongs to, all elements belongs to second one, then we can say that first one is subset of second one. So if all the elements of A or the elements of B, then A is called what? Subset of B. Suppose one person will take all the elements of B or the elements of A, then we can say that B is subset of A. Note down this definition. Now listen. First properties of subset. First one concept is exercise 2.3 definition of subset. What is the definition? All the elements of first set or the elements of second set, then we can say that first one is subset of second one. Now listen, what are the properties of subset? So first one, what is this is called? Don't write, listen. This is called what? Null set. A set has no elements is called what? Null set. Null set is subset of every set. So because there is no elements, that's why it is subset of every set. First one is Null set is subset of every set. Subset of every set. So there is no elements. That's why for any set, which one is subset? Null set is subset of every set. Now listen second property. What is A? 6, 7, 8. Again I am writing A. 6, 7, 8. All the elements of A are the elements of A or not. That means every set is subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself. So every set is subset of itself. This property is called a special name called as reflexive property. Second property is what? Every set is subset of itself. Subset of itself. This property is called reflexive property. Reflexive property. This is important bit will come. Example. A is equal to set 6, 7. Therefore, A is subset of A. Every set is subset of itself. Property, what is the name of the property? Reflexive property. R-E-F-L-E-X-I-V-E. Reflexive property. First one is null set of subset of every set. Second one is what? Every set is subset of itself. This property is called what? Reflexive property. Before third property, listen. A is equal to 6, 7. B is equal to 7, 6. Now listen. How many sets I have considered? 2 sets. What is the first set? A is equal to 6, 7. B is equal to what? 7, 6. All the elements of A are the elements of B or not? Again, all the elements of B or the elements of A or not? So what you must conclude? A is subset of B and also B is subset of A. Then what? Unless A is equal to B, then we can say that what? A is equal to B. This property is called what? Anti-symmetric property. So do you understand or not? So how to write third property? Listen, third one. With example I will tell them. If A is subset of B, B is subset of A, then A is equal to B. This is called anti-symmetric property. Anti-symmetric symmetric property. So if A is subset of B, 9, 10, B is equal to 10, 9. What you must conclude? A subset B, comma, here what? B subset A. All the elements of A are the elements of B. All the elements of B is the elements of A. Unless A is equal to B. This property is called what? Anti-symmetric property. Now listen. Fourth property. What is the fourth property? With example we can tell. A. Don't write, listen. 6, 7. B. 6, 7, 8. C. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now by observation, listen. All the elements of A are the elements of B or not? What you must conclude? A is subset of B. All the elements of B or the elements of C or not? Check. 6, 7, 8 is there. So A is subset of B, B is subset of C. Then what you must conclude? A is subset of C. So once again listen the definition. Fourth property. If A subset B, comma, B subset C, then what you must conclude? A subset C. This property is called This property is called transitive property. Transitive property. So once again, transitive. So what are the properties of subset? First one is null set is subset of every set. Every set is subset of itself. Its property is called what? Reflexive property. So if you take any set, it will be subset of itself. Second one is if A subset B subset A, then A is equal to B. It is called what? Anti-symmetric property. SYMMETRIC. Third, next fourth one is if A subset B, take your own example, not only my example. B subset C, then A subset C. This property is called what? Transitive property. Do you understand or not? Note on this one. 2.3. First concept I told the definition of subset. Second one is the properties of subsets. How many properties are there? 4. First one is null set. Null set is subset of every set. Second one is every set is subset of itself. Third one is what? A subset B, B subset A, unless A is equal to B. This is called as anti-symmetric property. And fourth one is A subset B, B subset C, then A subset C. This property is called what? Transitive property. All are 1 mark questions. Now this is 2 marks, very very important. Public oriented 2 marks sum. How to write subsets of a given set? Very very important. I will explain 2 examples. Listen carefully. Don't write. Let us take A is equal to set A, B, C. For this one, how to write subsets? So whenever we want to write down subset sum, first write down cardinal number. What is cardinal number? Number of elements in a set A. How many elements are there? 3. So first procedure, how to write subsets of a given set. First one is you must write down what? Cardinal number. What is the cardinal number? Number of elements in a set A is equal to how many elements are there? 3. So whenever we want to write down subsets, formula is 2 power n. Number of subsets for any set. Number of subsets formula is 2 to the power of n, not 2n. 2 to the power of n. N means number of elements in a set. How many elements are there? 3. So how to write 2 cube? What is the meaning of 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2. That means how many subsets will form? 8. So for any set, what is the formula for subsets? Number of subsets formula is 2 power n, not 2n. 2 power n. N means number of elements in a set. Now, got how many overall, how many sets? 8 sets. We won't write down 8 sets. How to write? All subsets. How to write all subsets? What I told, null set is subset of every set. So null set means what? 5. First subset is 5. Second one, what I told, every set is subset of itself. That means write given set. Now, in a set, each element is subset of given set. Once again listen. In a given set, each element is subset of given set. What is the first element? Set A. What is second element? Nana? Set B. What is third element? Set C. So, 2 elements is possible or not? How to write 2 elements? Set AB. Next one, set AC. So you can start AB, AC. Then what? BC. So overall, how many sets we want to get? 8. Count 8 sets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you understand how to write or not? Now one more example I will take. Example 2. Example 2. C is equal to set 10, 100, 1000, 1. How to write subsets of a given set? How many elements are there? 4. So, for any set, how to write subsets? First, write down cardinal number. N of C. How many elements are there? 4. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is number of subsets formula? Number of subsets is equal to 2 power n. That means 2 power 4. That is equal to how many subsets will come? 16 will come. Do you understand or not? What is the formula for subset summa? 2 power n. For this set, how many subsets will come? 16 subsets will come. So, how to write all 16 subsets? All subsets. Very, very important public words. So, what is the first concept? Null set is subset of every set. For any set, null set is subset. Given set is subset of every set. 100, 1000 and 1. And again what? Each element is subset of given set. What is the first element? 10. Next one what? 100. Next one what? 1000. Next one what? 1. One element is over. If it is possible, write down 2 elements. If it is possible, write down 3 elements. For the above example, 1 each element and 2 elements is possible. So, how to write 2 elements? 10, 100. Next what? 10,000. 10, 1. Over. Take this one. 100,000. Next one what? 101. Next one what? 1001. We want to get how many? Overall how many subsets? 16. So 2 elements are over. Each element is over. How to write 3 elements? Remove 1. Write down. Starting this one. Remove 10. Like you must write down. Each element removed and write. I remove 1. So how to remove? 10, 100, 1000. 3 elements. Next one. Remove 1000. How to write? 10, 100, 1. Next, remove 100. How to write? 10, 1000 and 1. Remove 100. Now remove 10. How to write? 10, 100, 1000. Remove 10, 100, 1000, 1. Now listen, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 will come. Now once again listen second example. Overall elements is 4. We want to get 2 power 4. That means 16 subsets will come. So how to write 16 subset? First null set. Yes, then after given set, each element, then after 2 elements. Listen, 2 elements how to write? 10, 100, 10,000, 10, 1 over, 100,000, 101 over, 1001. That is 2 elements concept. How to write 3 elements? Remove 1. So what is the first set? 10, 100, 1000. Remove 1000, 10, 101. Remove 100, 10,001. Like that you got how many subsets? 16 subsets. Count once again. 1. This is full we will 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 will come. So do you understand or not? Note on this one.